una do sensitization program
yes.
for the motorists them because we get project monitoring team for T-Live here. They tandak digba with una.
Okay.
So on take sensitize the drivers or now they will take drive to avoid accidents.
You know, say during December, the traffic dey high because Edo State na transit state. Transit state na state when they pass. You have over 8 states passing this place from Port Harcourt, from Enugu, Onitsha. So it's always a very busy state. So based on that, during Christmas, the traffic volume dey high. Wetin we dey do, we go dey sensitize people to reduce their speed. That's why last year we even go by pass. Motor when they pass, we go tell them make them cool down. You know why? We want make them reach home. You can imagine person go ready for Lagos, so they wan go see people, we no go reach home. They will go carry dead body. So those things we no want. That is Christmas programs, Christmas sensitization program. But this program wey we dey do in between the year, during the year like this, na normal program. Is part of our program. It's part of our policy, operation, what they call operational policy. Na part of our operational policy to dey enlighten people at all time. Like this week now, we focus on seat belt. You go see say anybody, some of us go out when they see person dey drive, you no use seat belt, they go just do like this. Not be say we dey arrest them, not be everything we dey arrest. Some of those things na to correct. That's what they call corrective measure. We correct them. So this mild sensitization wey we dey do na corrective measure. Sometimes we will go out, go check. You know all this tuke they no get headlight. Some no get side mirror. Why you know side mirror when you no cause e dey help. You go say make some people touch their horn. They go touch the horn. The horn no, e no work. So we go tell them say go fix your horn. Those are corrective enlightenment. Na we dey do.
Yes. On top of this sensitization wey una dey do within the way they call operational policy, that na wetin una dey do from time to time for the agency. So we don notice say the sensitization wey una dey do na over right of way. That na on our major roads, how they will take drive, maybe na fast.
The one wey we dey do for Plymouth.
Yes. These people una dey do am for, how they don take the hear word. We know say all pikin no be the same. Wetin be the things, wetin be the response una don get from them?
Yes, you know our job na step by step. You see wetin we dey use for this state na international best practice. Model when we dey use to reach New Jersey, to reach Denmark, Copenhagen, na they call their capital, to reach Stockholm, na the same practice. I will step by step. Now, anytime we want to do something, we will first do sensitization. Like that place when you dey talk, na Plymouth Road, our people carry megaphone, they talk. Fine. Wetin we want to do be say, the place bad, people park for both sides. That road no wide. They park for this side, they park for this side. We say make una manage this place. They come say okay, make we go park their motor. I say no. First of all, go talk to them. Carry microphone, talk whether they go leave. So that is what we are doing for this week. But by next week, we will go for wetin they call enforcement. After enlightenment, go for enforcement. Traffic management are 3 EU. E pass 3, but 3 major one. Enlightenment, first one. Engineering, second one. Enforcement. So by next week, those places now, we go move in there. So that if we dey carry their motor, they no go say, una just come, they pick our motor. These people are bad people. That is the system we are using. That is why the people, they like us. That is why when they see us, they go say, una try. And after all, una don't talk for 1 week. Sometimes when we dey pick, you go see people they pass. So you have carried them since last week, they talk. Una no hear. Because traffic management not be war. Just enter, they park people motor, fight, break person head. We no want that. So that's why we are using international best practice.
Now that enforcement where you talk about, will be the last we won't even talk about.
Okay.
Say all these people, as they talk now, many people for us they hear you. A lot of motorists they listen to you now.
Okay.
Wetin be the things, the penalty where they man no use punishments. That na the penalty. The one where be say you now take draw their ear. Say you know when no one hear word so. Now this thing now you go face if you no follow the rule.
Yes, when we carry a motor, we get fines. We get fines attached to her. Our fines not too big. We know our environment. Most people know people they will say money no dey. But do the right thing. Because we no come out to look for motor to arrest. Government no say you must bring money. But all over the world, traffic management generates money. Because people must violate. So we get fine. And fine according to how your punishment be. Some offences now we look at as mild or minor offences. Some are stringent offences. Like that, like 1 week. 1 week now, correct offence. Because before you take 1 week, you think am twice, say, I won't commit this offence. But you get offence when you go say, I don't know, traffic light. As I just enter, I can't turn to green. Now red, it can't turn to. I don't know that one. Okay, small one. Go pay 5. But 1 week, when you come, you go pay 10. We go send you go training. You go train. Sometimes I go say, make them deflate the 4 tire. Make the motor rest. 3 days you go there. It's part of the punishment. We not be say make we do am, make you dey pain you. So that another time, if you wan do am, you go think say, wetin dey punish me that time, I no go do am again. We want the day when we go comot, we see say nobody commit offence. That day we go dey happy. We will just be controlling traffic. Everybody go go your house. But when we dey control traffic, you go park for where we say make you no park. We go carry the motor. So that is it. So we have fines. Now fines we dey use fines and training. We never introduce psychiatric. That one, for very dangerous driving. Even this one we say we might put psychiatric, but we never put am. So if you commit any stringent one now, after you pay your fine, we go say, yeah, go for training. You will sit down. We will come teach you about road, about traffic, about road sign, about why e no good make you commit that offence.